Good day to whomever it may concern. I am Tinashe Makwiramiti and my student number is ST402243. This is my part 1 for my Imad assignment calculator app. So firstly, I will show you it running. This is how you enter the first number. As soon as you click this text view, it is going to, as soon as you click this edit, it is going to show you this little keyboard thing where you can just enter your number. And once you click on the second one, the same thing applies. And yeah, after you have done that, you can click the plus sign. Once you have done that, you can click add. Then it will show you 1 plus 5 equals 6. Subtract, it shall subtract that, -4, and multiplies it, and then divide, which gives you that. And if you try to divide by 0, it will give you a message that you cannot divide by 0. So that is my app working. As for the code, this is the code. So pretty much what I did was declare 3 private variables. One variable for the number, the first number, another variable for the second number, and a final variable for the answer. And then after that, I pretty much made sure that the buttons were linked to the variables. And after I did that, if I scroll to the bottom here, I declared some private functions for the add. That is basically this right here is to store the number that you get from this one into the variable as for the second one, and then the answer is displayed here with these $signs to show that if I come here to show that you are adding 2 numbers by each other and equals to the answer, if that makes any sense. So yeah, after that, if I just go to the bottom here and show you, this is the subtract, that is the multiply, pretty much the same concepts. And then comes the function for the 0. This is the code that I implemented. So pretty much it's using a if statement to check if the number is a 0, then it displays the message. And this input 2 was converted into a double. So this is not what I initially came up with. I came up with a longer if statement, but the Android Studio app recommended the shorter version, so I just went with the shorter version. So then yeah, as you go into the divide function, it utilizes the input is 0 function to figure out if the number is 0, and if it is, it displays the error message cannot divide by 0, and if not, then it just executes the code as per usual. So yeah, that's pretty much that. And then the last private function is the input is not 0. Input is not empty. So this pretty much just tests if the thing is empty or not. If it is empty, then it shows the message that you require the field to be filled in first. So yeah, overall, this is my app for part 1. Other improvements will be made for part 2, but so far so good. I've also made the app a navy blue and white theme. I feel like this is pretty aesthetic and it's simple, keeping it simple. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.